Just a walkthrough of this Hitachi 8mm camcorder. It's pointing at my water cooler, which we can see on the TV because I have it hooked up with the cord that comes with it. Right now I am powering the camcorder right straight to the charger, so if you're going to transfer video, all you need to do, put this on video, eject, pops out, insert a tape, push on that button until it shuts. You'll hear it prime, then where's the play button? Right there. Hit the play button and watch what's on the videotape. Very nice. This is super easy to use. Not a lot of buttons. If you just want to play tapes, it's great. If you want to make video, it comes with a really nice light that detaches for easy storage. Everything has a place in here and it's all labeled. This is one of the best camcorder packages I've ever seen. The charger, so simple. If you want to charge the battery, you just disconnect the power going to the camcorder, and boom, you're charging the battery. This battery may or may not hold a charge. I haven't tried to charge it. You're going to need to buy at least one battery if you plan to create videos. I would buy two. You can usually get a deal on 2 or 3 brand new batteries for probably around $32 for 3. Maybe less, maybe more, I don't know. Anyways, batteries are cheap. So there's your demo.